All right, how are you doing, guys? Hope everyone is having a awesome and a wonderful day. Today, I wanted to tell you the places that I actually go to buy the solo ads, right? So you might be looking at what are the best places to get the solo ads, and I'll also be showing you my back end. I'll show you what are the things that I actually track to be able to find the best solo ads, and I'll also be showing you the offers that I'm promoting that's actually getting me the results that I'm actually getting now, right? So just let's get started. And the place that I'm actually on is Udemy, right? Normally people come to Udemy to buy solo ads because it's one of the agencies. So what I normally do on Udemy, I go here and I'll set the criteria. So you can see my criteria is 2, and the vendor that I'm going to be using should be able to get sales, right? So 50%. Niche, I choose marketing, and you can choose any niche in here. They got a lot of niches here, right? So it's really up to you. And the sales, I'll just leave as it is. And all, if you click on down here, doesn't matter what countries and anything. So I'll just leave as it is. And then what I'll do, I'll just go in here. Now, what I'm actually looking for is the sale percentages and also the clicks that they're actually selling for, right? So in here you can see, but also you see here they got promoting the actual page, and they're also promoting the offer. That's why they're really high up on the page, right? So what I'll actually do, I'll go and click on these people, and I'll see the recent sale that they have actually made, right? So I'll click on here and just to go and just see how they actually going with the sales. So in here you see 23rd, 21, 21, 21, 21, 20th, right? So this list is looking very, very good. And then I'll choose another one. So I'll actually do the same process with all the other different vendors. And what I'm actually looking for is their very recent sale, right? So 22, 18, 15, right? So I'll just keep closing the ones that I actually don't like. And 23rd, 21st, 21st. So this one is good as well, right? So I'll keep this one. And 16, 11, 6. Okay, so I don't really like this one. Okay. 14, 12, 10. Okay, so they got most of the sales came in May, so I really like this one. And this one's got the most amount of sale, I think, right? So once I choose the ones that I like, I'll simply click on buy solo, and then I'll put my opt-in page here, and I'll just do the checkout, right? So those are the things that I do. And to choose the clicks, first time, if you're getting solo ad, I wouldn't recommend you to buy 1,000 click at once. You just want to test which solo ad vendor is getting you the best results. I'm talking about like sales. But the purpose of you sending clicks onto your page is not to just get the sale. You want to be building your list at the same time, right? So in here, I'll choose 200 clicks, and then I'll go ahead and do the checkout, right? All the other things, I normally don't touch it, right? So that's how I'm going to be doing the solo ad. And then also what I normally do is I'll go to this site, solo ads testimonial. You can see they got different vendors in here. And the one thing that I look for is I'll go to this page and I'll see how much sales have they actually got. And I always go and reach out to these people, right? I'll check out the page, see if they're very they're actually the same person that they're on the page, and the name I'll try to match, because sometimes people are there just on the internet just to scam people, right? I want to do my own due diligence. And the ones that I actually like, I'll normally go click on them and I'll add them as a friend and I'll message them. I'll press DM them, or sometimes they also have their website, so I'll go on the website just to check it out, and if everything is looking good, I'll go ahead and buy that solo ad from that provider, right? So those are the two places that I actually go to. I go to the solo ads testimonial group, and the second place I go to is on Udemy, right? So those are the two places that I actually go to. Now I want to share with you the first run that I have had with the solo ad. So the tool I'm using to be able to track the leads coming into my funnel, and also be able to track the opt-in rate, because if you're not tracking your solo ad, you pretty much throwing your money in the bin, right? So you want to be tracking everything. And you see here the total clicks that I actually got was 200. Opt-in rate, number of opt-ins, the people actually came into my funnel was like 101, which is like really good. Opt-in rate 47.6%, very good. And email clickers rate, email openers rate. So these are the amount of people actually clicked on the email, which is like really good. And these are the metrics that you want to be checking all the time, because for example, if you using two different solo ads, some solo ads, maybe they're not sending the right click, they're not even human, they're pretty much sending bots onto your page. You should be able to check and which vendor is getting you sales into your funnel, right? So those are the things that you want to be checking. Optindojo, I'll leave a link in the description so you can go and check it out, see if it's working best for you. But I highly recommend it. I never had any issues with using this tool, and I've been using for a while. But this is the new offer that I also started doing, and I'll also share with you the offer. So if you don't have an offer but you still want to do affiliate marketing, if you actually don't know what affiliate marketing is, so what you're actually doing is you're promoting someone else's products, right? So there's a lot of products on ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, right? So all these platforms, you can go there and pretty much promote their products, right? So, but the most lucrative ones that I've actually found was the one I'm doing now, is because it's like the product is like really good and it's like in high demand. That's why I started promoting this product or program that I'm doing now. And pretty much what it is, it starts giving you recurring commission like month after month. You start to get paid. So if you are a complete beginner, you haven't done any sort of affiliate marketing before, right? I'll just share with you a few steps that you need to do. But first, I want to share with you my results and actually how I get these results. So just a quick disclaimer that this is my results, and this is not a get rich quick thing, right? You have to do your own hard work, and all depends on your work ethics, right? And this is my results, and I cannot guarantee like if you do this, you're going to be getting the same sort of results, right? So that's the disclaimer out of the way. So look at this, guys. So I started doing this in in April actually, and the date now is 24th, right? So you can see this is the numbers, guys. Look at it again. 3,540, right? Let me say that again. 3,540. And you can see the numbers here. I-20. This is all recurring commissions. So think about people who actually promoting high ticket affiliate marketing, right? They just get a sale once, maybe for $500, $200, $300, but they're not building anything, right? So they actually don't know if next month or month after that they're going to be getting sale, right? So but with this, it's like you're building slowly, but over time, when it's like 12 months, 5 months, 6 months, you start to get that recurring commission, like, right? So you can see this is all recurring commission, and like I'm testing with solo ads, but most of this is coming from the free methods that I'm actually doing, right? I'll also leave a link above this video now, so you can go and click on it. This is another method that I use to get free traffic onto my funnel, right? And it's working really, really well. But there's something I'll also be sharing with you now that it's also working now, right? So you can see 20 people work a whole week, and sometimes they're not even able to earn this much, right? I'm able to earn this in a day, right? So, and this is, I'm just getting started with this, right? So you can see how quickly it's coming, like $140 a day, $800 a day, $820, $420, $400, $100, $100, $120, $100, right? So you can see the power of this, and pretty much if you want to know how you can also be able to generate this amount of income, right? So I'll also share with you what you need to do to be able to get access to the system that I'm actually doing now. And I believe anyone can get this amount, or even you can make more. It all depends on your work ethics, right? So what you need to do is go below this video, right? You're going to be clicking this first link here, and what they're going to be doing is it will take you to this page here, right? So in here you're going to be entering your email address, right, very quickly, and this is going to show you like what program that we actually promoting. So, and this program is, you click this button, right? So it will actually take you to the sales page. So this is the system that I'm promoting, all in one business model, right? So you can see $100 monthly commissions, right? This is ongoing commissions that you start to get, right? So go over all, and everything that I do, I actually set up the whole entire system for my team, right? So I actually build the funnel for them. I also set up the autoresponders, and I also tell them like what specific strategy that I'm using, right? So you need to click on this button. Yes, I want access for just $25, guys. So people spend a lot of money, more than $25 on probably coffee, or going out having lunch or stuff like that. So what you need to do is enter all your details in here, and enter your card details, right? But wait, check the box below to add this 100% free bonus, right? So this bonus is coming from the company. It's 100% free. So just to check out, if you like the training, I highly recommend you to click this button here, right? And just go ahead and do the checkout, right? So literally you can get started for only $25 and start to earn this amount of income, right? Which is mind-blowing, right? So let me share with you this specific strategy that I'm using. So I'm using solo ad, but most of the results that I'm actually getting is basically just to post on YouTube, right? So if you have a Facebook profile, it's going to be very easy for you to be able to promote this, right? And we're not chasing anyone. This is not drop shipping. This is not Amazon FBA, right? This is not YouTube automation, right? This is purely just doing marketing on Facebook, right? This is my personal profile, you can see, and I post results and people reach out to me, right? So this is something that you're going to be doing, right? But if you don't want to be posting on social media platforms, you can purely do solo ads, right? And solo ads are working really, really well for so many people in the community. And then you can go ahead. So if you're someone who doesn't have time to create content, you can pretty much go on Udemy and also buy solo ads from there, right? So those are the things that I actually do to be able to generate income on autopilot, pretty much, because the system, like this is the autoresponder that I'm also using, right? So all the things that I mentioned, it will be all beneath this video. You can go and check it out. And just to see, you might be working 2 shift, 3 shift, spending time away from your family, right? This can be your side hustle, right? Build this over time, and this will actually give you be able to give you more time to spend with your kids and be able to travel the world and do the things that you want to do, right? So, and you actually don't need to have any experience, because we do have all the trainings inside this program. So once you come in, I'll also add you to my team message group. So any questions you have, you can ask the team, ask me, and also you're going to get the support from the actual company, right? We have mastermind calls every single day, 6 days a week. So if you have any questions, you can attend the mastermind, and all the calls that people share, like what specific marketing strategy that they're using, that's actually getting them results, right? So attend the masterminds, and also the calls also recorded, right? So it's really a must for people to do a side hustle, because remember what happened in when the COVID hit. Most people, they actually lost their job and they didn't have a side hustle, they didn't have a plan B. So everyone should need a plan B. And so if you're thinking about it, I'll leave all the details in the description. Click it. I'll also leave my Facebook profile link so you can come and connect to me, and then we be able to talk, and I can help you to start this amazing affiliate marketing business. So again, thank you so much for watching. My name is Sanjeev, and my God bless you all. Bye.